Great Snowpocalypse, December 2010. Marine Park is at a standstill. There's about a foot to foot and a half of snow, drifting as well. Subaru parked right there. Quentin is there. Van stuck. These emergency vehicles came down this road. This road was completely snowed in. I managed to get all the way down. These are my tire tracks right here. And there is a F-150 or an F-250 quad cab stuck in the snow up there. I made it all the way up to him. I couldn't see before because the visibility was pretty much zero because of all the blowing snow. Made it all the way to his bumper. Saw his tires were spinning. I decided to back up out of here, which I managed to do. I circled around a bunch more times looking for a spot, and I found one right there. So I got lucky. But this is it. The Great Blizzard of 2010. Brought the world to a standstill on Monday. I'm going to make my way back home. Bring my trusty shovel with me. Let's see if we can see how this Harley guy is doing.